Hi, anyone and everyone. This is Kim, the Humble Hermit from Come As You Are Oracle. I'm going to do an Oracle and Affirmations for today. Today is Wednesday, May 7th, 2025. You may follow me on the Talk, the Tube, the Lemonade, the Blue Sky Social, the Pinterest, my blog, or not. Totally up to you. Take what resonates. It all might resonate. It's affirmations. So the reason why I'm doing this affirmations is because I got this deck yesterday and left it on my table in the kitchen. And because I was so mad that my stove went out yesterday. Yeah, I had to go buy a new stove today. I forgot that it was there this morning, but I wanted to do a reading with it. It's called The Spiritual Meaning of Birds Oracle Deck. Discover the wisdom and insight of these divine winged messengers by Erin Murphy Hiscock. This is the author of The Green Witch's Oracle Deck. I had this thing on order through Amazon since November. It came yesterday. I think it was released on the 1st, I think. Anyway, you guys know that lately I've had a thing for the birdies, so I just felt like getting a bird's deck and yeah, see what falls out. We got 2 on the table. Ooh. Okay, those are going back in. Let's do a couple more shuffles here. Let's do one more shuffle. We got 3 at the bottom of the deck. We've got the cuckoo, ancestry, deceit, and attentiveness. My favorite, the crow, innovation, change, death. And one of my favorites, goose, abundance, protection, teamwork. I think these are cute, y'all. I might use them today, tomorrow, and Friday maybe, or maybe I'll use them like Saturday and Sunday, just to kind of, because I like them. I think they're cute. I hope the messages resonate for you. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope, if anything, you found it entertaining. And now I'm going to do some reads. I hope you all had a great hump day, are continuing to have a great hump day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.